Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're creating something really exciting, a password manager using Python and Flask. This project is perfect for organizing and securing your passwords in one place. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully functional web app you can customize and even enhance further. This is day 2. Let's dive into our today's topic, password manager. Here's what our password manager will do: generate strong, secure passwords. Store passwords for different accounts like Gmail or Netflix. Allow you to retrieve your saved passwords anytime. First, let's set up the environment. We'll use Flask to build our web app. If you don't have Flask installed, just open your terminal and type pip install Flask. Also, we'll use an additional library for generating random passwords. Install it by typing pip install secrets. Our project will have 3 main files: app.py, this is the main Flask application; templates/index.html, the front-end interface; passwords, JSON, a file to store your passwords securely. We'll start with app.py. This will handle our routes for generating, saving, and retrieving passwords. Explanation: from Flask import Flask, render_template, request, JSONify import secrets import JSON. Flask, the framework used to create the web application. Render_template, renders the HTML templates for the web pages. Request, captures data sent from the client, browser, to the server. JSONify, converts Python objects to JSON format to send responses to the client. Secrets, generates cryptographically secure random passwords. JSON, handles saving and loading passwords in a JSON file for persistent storage. We'll start with app.py. This will handle our routes for generating, saving, and retrieving passwords. 2. Initializing Flask app. App equals Flask, __name __, initializes the Flask app using the Flask class. This instance, app, is used to define routes, serve templates, and run the application. 3. Password file management. Loading passwords. Def load _passwords, try, with open, passwords, JSON, R, as file, return JSON. Load, file, accept file not found error, return. Purpose: reads stored passwords from passwords, JSON. Logic: opens the file in read mode and parses its content into a Python dictionary using JSON. Load: if the file does not exist, it returns an empty dictionary to handle first-time use. Saving passwords. Def save _passwords, data, with open, passwords, JSON, W, as file, JSON. Dump, data, file, indent equals 4, purpose: saves a dictionary of passwords into passwords, JSON. Logic: opens the file in write mode, writes the dictionary data into the file in JSON format with indentation for readability. 4. Flask routes. Homepage. At app.root, def home, return render_template, index, HTML. Purpose: displays the homepage. Logic: when the user accesses the root URL, Flask renders the index, HTML template. The index, HTML file should contain the front-end interface for interacting with the app. Generate password. At app.root, generate, methods equals, post, def generate, length equals int, request, form.get, length, 12 characters equals secrets, token _ safe, length, return JSONify, password, characters. Purpose: generates a secure password. Logic: the front-end form sends the desired password length, to this root via post request. The secrets, token _ safe function generates a random password of the given length. Returns the password in JSON format to the client. Save password. At app.root, save, methods equals, post, def save, account equals request, form.get, account, password equals request, form.get, password, data equals load _passwords, data, account, equals password save _passwords, data, return JSONify, message, password saved successfully. Purpose: saves an account name and its corresponding password. Logic: captures the account and password values sent from the front-end form via post request. Calls load _passwords to load existing data. Updates the dictionary with the new account password pair. Saves the updated data back to passwords, JSON using save _passwords. Sends a success message as a JSON response. Retrieve passwords. At app.root, retrieve, methods equals, get, def retrieve, data equals load underscore passwords, return JSONify, data, purpose, retrieves all stored passwords. Logic, loads all saved passwords using load underscore passwords. Returns the passwords as a JSON response, where the keys are account names and the values are passwords. 5. Running the application. If underscore underscore name underscore underscore equals underscore underscore main underscore underscore app.run, debug equals true, purpose, runs the Flask application when the script is executed directly. Debug mode, automatically restarts the app when you make changes to the code. Displays detailed error messages for easier debugging. How the application works. Homepage. User interacts with the app via web page rendered by index.html. Generate password. Generate. User enters a desired password length in the form. App generates a secure password and displays it on the page. Save password. Save. User enters an account name and the generated password. App saves this data to passwords. JSON. Retrieve passwords. Retrieve. User requests all saved passwords. App fetches and displays all stored passwords.